Hello everyone, festive season is going on and I recently visited Sephora and got my hands on this beautiful box from Benefit Cosmetics. If you don't know, Benefit is a cosmetic brand which is based in San Francisco, California. Benefit has collaborated with Maina Mahila Foundation, which is working on three aspects: the women's health, their employment, and research about the data that serves women development. And one more thing in this kit is that it will save you a lot. Yes, this kit is on 40% discount. The original price for this box was rupees 8090, which on 40% discount comes down to rupees 4950. There are three variants for this kit: the Tira exclusive, the Nika exclusive, and the Sephora exclusive. The one I am showing you is the Sephora exclusive. Now let's talk about what's inside the box. It has got 5 products which are Benefit's best-selling award-winning products. The first one in the list is the Benefit Professional Primer in Mini. It minimizes the appearance of the pore and fine lines. Next is Benefit Bad Girl Band Mascara in the Mini, the shade Pitch Black. It is my most favorite Hoola bronzer. Next is Benefit Brow Pencil. It has 12 hours stay. Last is the Ultimate Go-Go Tint. It's cherry tinted lip tint. Long wear, smudge proof, non-drying and transfer proof. Also, I will be showing you how I created this look using all these 5 products. First, I am using the Professional Primer to minimize and fill up the open pores around my nose area. For the brows, I am using this eyebrow pencil and filling up my brows. Next, I am using the Hoola bronzer, giving the definition to my forehead, under cheekbone to get the sharp and chisel look. Also, I am filling my eye crease area with a little bit of this product. Now I am applying the Go-Go tint as a pink eyeshadow and blending it using my fingers. Using the same tint, I am applying it on the apples of my cheeks and also on my lips. Just a little goes along, so take small amount at a time. Lastly, I am applying the mascara to get that lift in my eyebrows. So this is the final look. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.